To create an employee in Workday, you'll need an existing Workday job requisition and a Workday connector in Bindbee. Start by navigating to the existing connector in Bindbee. Then, move to the Connectors page and locate the connector and copy the connector token. Take this connector token and insert it into the Create Employee documentation at docs.bindbee.dev. Paste it into the prompt to acquire the access token from the dashboard. Simply copy and paste it. Make sure to input all necessary details, such as first name, last name, date of birth, employee number, gender, and location details accurately. For the location, remember to enter the country in 3-digit ISO format and the state in 2-digit ISO format. The phone number should include the country code, the area code. You can add email addresses too. Next, you'll need the job requisition ID, which can be obtained from Workday. Copy this job requisition ID and paste it into the prompt. Click on Send. This action will create an employee against the sent job requisition. Now, head over to the Workday instance and approve the employee. If you search for the employee, you'll notice the employee listed there. That's how you create an employee in Workday.